This stock is in one of today's hottest sectors, and it also might triple this year. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Guys, how's it going? Just here back with you. Super excited about this stock right here that I'm about to speak about today. But before we get into the stock, I want to let you guys know to please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. It helps other people, make it easier for them to see us as well and get this information, the same information that you're looking at right now. I want to recap our Robinhood account really quick just to see how we've been doing. Today was an awesome day, guys. One of our best days this year. It's actually not even the best day. We had a better day last week, but this is one of the top 3 days of the year, and we're barely starting the year. So our account is at 90,517. We did have a goal in mind to have this account reach 100,000 last year. We were a little shy, but we're well on our way. We might reach it before the month, so we're almost there, guys. If you're following this channel, stay tuned, because this whole year we're going to be giving out some great advice, great information for you to maybe use for yourself in your own portfolio. But today we had about with after hours, we had about almost a 6% increase in our portfolio. Within the past week, portfolio has gone up 10,550, guys. 10,550 in the last month. 24% increase, $17,795, almost $20,000 in 1 month, guys. I want to really touch on this. I really want to say that today, within less than a year, we made that amount of money. Now, I want you guys really to pay attention to something. I don't put these numbers out here to try to show off or anything like that. I put them out there, and I've been doing it. If you've been watching my videos, you've been seeing this information over and over again. You've seen where we took this account from basically $0 to this over a course of a year, guys. This is something that anybody can do. This is just information that I put out there, but what I really want you to focus in on putting a little bit of money every single week, because money is a very powerful thing. You can really make it grow a lot if you're just consistently putting a little bit of money in. It doesn't have to be much, guys. Whatever you can. If it's $100 a week, make it $100 a week consistently for $100 every month. If it's $200, do it every month. If it's $500, if it's $1,000, if it's easier for you to do it in bits and pieces, maybe $25 every week, then do it that way. Whatever works for you, guys. And then you're going to see that money over time make it grow. And if you follow our channel, then you're going to get this advice, this information, and maybe you can do a 44% on your return on your money. And that's something that we're going to be giving advice on every single day. So guys, with that, please like and subscribe. One very important thing that I want to say before I get into Fubo TV is, when I pick and choose a stock and I present it on the channel, I do it for certain reasons. I try to do it with something in mind with what's to come. Now, I know we've discussed on this channel what are our biggest trends for this year. We said bio stocks, sports gaming stocks, EV stocks, and e-gaming stocks were going to be the biggest top 4 sectors this year. That's what we said. And I'm sticking to that. That's what the type of companies I want to be looking for when I'm investing in these companies, okay? So with that said, I like to kind of forecast what's going to happen. Kind of the same that I do in my real estate business. In my real estate business, I buy and sell properties. Within that business, I need to forecast and see what's going to work best for me with the money or with the property that I'm going to obtain. I'll give you a simple example, not to take this too long. I had a property in Hawthorne that we closed last year on, okay? Now, my thinking in mind was that property in Hawthorne was probably going to sell a lot higher because of the stadium that's being built right by LAX, okay? Now, obviously, the whole thing with the coronavirus came through this year. That delayed a bunch of stuff. But regardless, keeping that in mind, the stadium is built. The team is playing there. Hopefully this year or next year, people are back there, you know, going to the stadium, doing all that. So I had that in mind. So when I do something, when I pick a property or pick a stock, it's with something in mind. So when I give you that advice, I'm thinking ahead. In business, you need to think ahead of what you're going to do. Don't wait till the last minute and do it then. No, think ahead. And that's really helped me out in my personal life, in my business life. It's something that I live and stand for, and I'm always doing that in everything I do. I implement it in everything I do, and that's helped me out a lot. But with no further ado, let's get to the stock that we're talking about, guys. And I'm not going to spend too much time on it. I'm going to give you the big hits on it, but this is going to help out a lot. Fubo TV, ticker symbol FUBO. Guys, today this stock had an amazing day. It was up 34% on the day, and still went up 1.29% after hours. So guys, this stock right here is, I just want to give you a brief idea of what they do. If you don't know what Fubo TV is, basically an online sports and gaming digital TV, basically like Netflix, but they focus more on just sports. They're really big on sports. They do everything. They started from soccer, and then they do the baseball, basketball, all the sports channels, right? Well, the reason why I've become more into this company, and we do have a position with this company already established in one of our portfolios, which is this Robinhood portfolio. We have approximately 175 shares today. Average cost is $31.58, and we're planning to get this account at least minimum 500 shares on Fubo TV, and this is done over a period of time. It's not something that just happens day overnight. It takes a while. So you want to accumulate and keep accumulating your shares of stock, okay? Now, the reason why this company has got my attention is because we said one thing. This year, one of the main sectors is e-gaming, sports, gambling, okay? Fubo TV, and just to give you a little bit of recap on these guys. Last month in December, they announced this. Fubo TV buys Balto Sports to enter online sports betting market. And here, I'm going to read a little bit more. Fubo TV confirmed plans to expand its sports gambling last month. Online sports wagering market expected to reach US $155 billion by 2024. Guys, that's a big number. I see Fubo TV as one of the leaders in this, and I'll tell you why. What Fubo TV, and the way I see it, this is my opinion, this is what I think they're trying to envision here, okay? And it doesn't take a genius or rocket science when they go out and they buy a company like this. The way I see it is that they're trying to offer the sports gaming online, and at the same time being able to gamble. Say, for example, you're watching the TV, you're watching a Raider game, whatever it is, and you know what, you want to place a small bet. As a guy, I could tell you, guys like to bet money on games. That's a fact. That's why it is a $155 billion industry by 2024. As a guy, you want, or as a girl, whatever it is, you like to gamble. People love to gamble. They're going to make it as easy as you being able to gamble while you're watching the game, guys. You don't even have to leave their platform. You could watch the game, you could pay for the subscription, and you could gamble on site at the same time you're watching the game. That's the way I'm picturing it. So if you put it like that, I don't think of another company. There is another company that does that. Because of those reasons, I see this as a big thing coming in the future, okay? And then it says, Fubo TV has acquired California-based technology startup Balto Sports in a deal which marks the US-based streaming platform first move into the sports online sports wagering market. Today, they come up with a double bang. Here you go. Fubo TV to acquire Victory and launch a sports book in 2021. Guys, let me read this to you. Fubo TV is determined to be competitive in this segment. Last month, it acquired another sports betting tech company, Balto Sports. In the press release, trumpeting both the Balto and Victory deals, Fubo TV cited an estimated from Cyan Market Research predicting that the online sports betting market is poised to be worth $155 billion in 2024. Guys, we believe online sports wagering is a high complementary business to our sports first live streaming platform. The company quoted CEO David, "We don't see wagering as simply an add-on product to Fubo TV. Instead, we believe there is a real flywheel opportunity with streaming video content and interactivity." They said it right there. Video, streaming, content, and interactivity. They want you to interact. They want you to interact. So when I see that and I hear those words, it's awesome. Look at this. Listen to this. In 2020, to the legacy Fubo TV company, pre-merger Fubo TV in 2019, quarter 3 was the strongest year in Fubo TV's history, exceeding targets in all of our metrics. Subscription revenue grew from 64% year over year. Ad revenue grew 153% year over year, and we ended the quarter with an all-time high of 455,000 paid subscribers. That's amazing, guys. What do I see for this company? I see growth. I see future. I see a big thing. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, guys. This is not financial advice I'm giving you. I'm going to give you one last example, okay? This is just my opinion of where I see the market going, okay? And I think this stock right here can easily triple this year, okay? It can go from 33 to 100, okay? I think this year it can do it, okay? I'm going to show you an example, and I don't want you to sleep on this. Please don't sleep on this, okay? There was a stock last year, okay? It's called Roku TV. When they first started last year, right around this same time, guys, $133 a share. Today, it trades at $417. Don't miss the boat, guys. Good place to get into Fubo TV. I would wait for it to cool off. Get into it anywhere close to $30 if you can. But right now, I would jump on it regardless. Guys, don't miss this opportunity. Jump on this stock. Make money 2021. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.